Hey everybody, Bill Owen from mmPCtech.com and the Mod-2.com. Finally, this is part 3 or 4. I don't remember, I've been so busy. But we are at Dirt Designs Graphic Custom Painter. Brad Galvin right here, and owner, the best. Do you remember Brad from previous mmPCtech videos?
Yep.
I still have all my custom paint done by Brad.
That's your color.
And look at this, he just mixed it. We went over to the Valspar location in St. Paul, Minnesota to have some House of Color Candy Apple Red. That's all ready. That's going to be the exterior of our Origin PC Genesis case mod. He's about to apply that soon. But what I wanted to show here is the side vents that Mosquito created from sheet metal. And I'm just adding some detail filler in the cracks here so everything's smooth. And we're going to go back to my shop, and the guys are going to go over all the hardware that's going to go into this system. And then we're going to discuss the layout for the loop and also show you the prototype that we made for these vents early on. Luckily, Mosquito created these because the earlier ones were leaning towards Fury Road Mad Max, which I don't think quite fit the theme we were going for.
Hi, this is Jesse, aka Captain Curry Sauce from the Mod-2.com.
And I'm Mosquito, also known as Chris.
So, okay, does your driver's license say Mosquito?
Not yet.
Why not?
Because I haven't had to fill out the form since then.
You go get the name.
Put it as a legal alias.
Fine. So, what are we here for today?
We are here taking a look at the hardware that we will be using in the Origin case.
Yes.
So, yeah, we have... Well, we're going with the Intel 4790K, and we're using the Asus Maximus 7 Ranger for the motherboard. We will be switching out the RAM. We have blue right now, but we will be switching it out for silver later, just so it kind of matches with our color scheme a little bit better.
And we also got an i7 4790K and some beautiful NVIDIA GTX 980s. So 2 of them. For storage, we are going with a Samsung 850 Pro, 256 gigs. And for power, the system will be powered by a nice Corsair RM850 power supply with individually sleeved cables from Corsair.
Should be a pretty nice system.
Yes. Now, one of the key decisions when we were deciding on hardware was we want to make sure we pick the items that Origin has available and can support. So if you're like, well, why are you using that motherboard? Well, we want to use something that Origin offers so it's in line with their offerings.
Yep, and all of this hardware is all a system that you could buy from Origin. You can go out and buy a case or a system in a Genesis and get all of this hardware in it. So that was kind of the main thing, was just that it is all Origin hardware, or at least hardware that they offer.
Yeah, and if you buy something like that, keep in mind Mosquito and Captain are not included.
Not included. Yeah. No mods included, except in this one.
Yes. So we get the power supply there.
There, and then we're gonna make a bracket to hold it in place.
Yeah.
Okay, not too hard, pretty simple. And this will still align with Chris's side ducts that he wants to create. And then we'll put a 360 radiator here, drawing air up from the bottom of the floor up all the way through.
Here's your fat radiator. So we might want to just take care of this piece a bit.
I'd almost just say do push-pull, just because then you got more.
Oh yeah,
more
of course,
space
yeah.
eating up.
Yeah, you got to push-pull at this point. And you're gonna fit in a monster.
Another nice thing, so okay, we have a radiator that's going to go up in the front, and we've got the inlet outlet in this radiator here, and we'll have a reservoir here. We can have most of our tubing layout in this area here.
Yeah.
So we no longer have to worry about routing from a radiator down here.
Yep.
So we're eliminating that. Then we also don't have to see all these cables, because this will be hidden on the bottom.
Yep. It'll be hidden. Yeah, that actually works out nice.
It also gives you the ability, if they want a bunch of hard drives, to throw one of the cages in there too.
Oh, we are at the Smart Computer Store. Greg, thanks for having us here tonight.
No problem.
You bet. And Mosquito wanted to show us what he's been working on.
It took forever. That's a lie. It took me like 20 minutes. So basically, the idea is just to kind of emulate a like brake vent off the back side of the front fender. But yeah,
Maybe sheet metal.
Yeah, I
I
was
was
thinking
thinking
that too.
Yeah.
sheet metal.
And then you can use some body filler to fill up any seams or whatever. But yeah.
Yeah, because the biggest issue is just getting this back part here. This part has to be thin enough.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can we show them the vents, the prototype vents that we made? Do you think we should?
I want to see him.
Oh, that's right. You didn't see him, did you?
No, he had to go for his sweetie.
Oh, here's the good one.
I saw the impending doom.
So this is prototype vent.
This is prototype number 2. I'm just holding this in to do whatever.
Oh, I can't go up anymore. That's why. I want it to slide in place.
There.
This is not bad.
Well, it's one of the issues is that the honeycomb that we cut out, it doesn't actually line up with the opening of
Well,
of the plastic, but
I guess you could file or grind it away.
yeah.
You could do that.
Should we show them the other one?
But I do think that opening is, I mean, that's
That
too much.
that was quite a bit bigger than the cardboard prototype.
Yeah. Probably keep it at maybe. What I would probably do is maybe just go like this much up front and then come flat out here.
Yeah. Well, that's kind of what the cardboard prototype was.
Okay.
And then here's the other one.
Oh.
Yeah, because that needs to go in there like that.
Awesome.
Backwards.
I see Bill's trying to cover up the writing that says weld on this side. Up here it says weld there, but yeah, that's
Done.
actually that'd be on the other side, but yeah, because that's technically the front.
Weren't we going with the Mad Max theme?
In on one side, out on the other. Yeah, because technically that'd be over here.
I want the fat on the front.
Well, yeah, that's what it would be. Here,
There you go.
because this is the side that it was supposed to
You
be.
see, I like this for some reason.
Big air duct.
And then we can put some 40 millimeter
There
fan.
you go. We're gonna ram air those damn hard drives. I tell you what.
And actually, what we should do, put like some tiny those motherboard, the saber tooth fans.
Oh yeah.
30 millimeter.
Yeah, and put some kind of strings on it. Dude.
There you
See,
go.
it works.
Yeah. Whoops.
Oh yeah. Well.
We'll see how much of that makes it in the video.
Scoop on the top.
Are we going with Mad Max theme?
I didn't think so.
Beyond the monkey cage.
I thought it started as an exotic car.
Turns into a demolition derby.
Hey, we can turn it into whatever we want. It's a transformer. In your face.
Yeah, so we'll be redoing those and
Yeah, it sounds
Uh-oh.
like the best thing to do
That
is
was
just
the
go
GPU.
yeah.
make them
That's
from
it. We have to
scratch.
keep it now.
The GPU dropped?
Yeah.
No.
So I have to take it home.
No, it did.
Hey, he's just knocking all your crap out pretty well there. So yeah, we'll make the final revision of those.
All right, so and we decided 240 in the front versus the 280.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
What
fine.
would you have your 280? That's over there.
Ooh, 280, yeah.
Yeah, because if, to your point, if we cut this up a bit and we'll slide the radiator down, then
yeah.
we can mount a, that's a 280.
Yeah. See, that'd be too high, so we wouldn't be able to fit a 280 even if,
Well,
unless we went with a different res than a 2-bay.
yeah. Kind of
So-
like that coolants res.
Yeah. So it'll have to be a
dual loops.
It'll have to be a 240.
That's fine.
But what we were thinking is, since the front 5 1/4 inch bay covers actually screw in place, we were thinking screw them in and then put a radiator grill
Oh, yeah.
on those,
Yeah.
and then we can just mount the radiator that way.
Yep.
Oops, that way.
Awesome. House of Color. We're at Valspar in St. Paul, Minnesota. I'm here with Brad from Dirt Designs Graphic, and he's got a shopping list. And one of the colors on here is for the Mod-2 Genesis of a Mod Munky. Candy apple red, Brad?
Red, Brandywine, Oriental Blue, primer, and an effects. Millennium 05.
So is this the largest selection of retail House of Color paints?
Yeah, it's gotta be every product. How's the color mix? Old and new
Nice.
stuff.
This is great. You don't have to order everything. Just come here and pick it up. Look at these colors. What does Shimrun 2 mean, Brad?
It's the second generation of the Shimrun. Basically, you can make any color you want. The system, old and new. Just by, like with this Metaloom, you have your base color, and you add this to whatever, or you can add whatever pearl effect they got to make any infant bound colors.
And there's the creator right there, founder, John Kosmowski from Minneapolis, Minnesota. Best paint in the world.
It's pretty alright.
Yeah. Oh, cool flakes.
Yeah, they got everything.
Imagine computer case painted like that.
So, like we said, this is all hardware from Origin, but should we tell them why?
Well, the reason why is because in the final video, we will release more details, but it has been confirmed that this will be a giveaway in the end. So all this fancy stuff, along with the fancy case, can be yours if you send us your social security number and $100 at the following. Wait,
$100.
wrong video.
So yeah, keep an eye out for that, and we'll have more details, like Jesse said, in the last video of the series, going over what you'll need to do to enter to win that, and all of that fun stuff. So
That's where we're at right now. With Skeeto has got his homework assignment of making his side ducts.
I got no homework. I got no homework.
that he knows of.
Yeah, exactly. I'm trying to think, what can he do?
Power supply bracket.
Do you really want me to make a power supply break?
Oh, we are going to hide it.
Remember, what did I say today? I have power tools, aka my friends.
Good to go.
So thanks for watching part 3. This is part 3, right?
Depends.
Just said, thanks for watching part 3. Thanks for watching part 4. Choose the one you want.
So,
This part.
well, thanks for watching this segment of the Mod-2 Genesis of a Munky PC project with Origin PC, and you can go to the mod2.com forums and watch updates there and post any questions about whatever we're doing. If you're thinking about getting an Origin Genesis case or the Millennium case, just go to Origin and let them know. They don't have them listed in their store, but they are selling them. So, anything else you want to add?
Not that I can think of.
Okay, go out there and mod something.